Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to, of course, thank the board, in particular, and the management for the very strategic decisions they have made. The fact that you get a rate of return of in excess of 19% is highly significant. One could say that without necessarily sort of having to go at the banks, that if you put your money in Unit Trust of Fiji, you get a much better rate of return. So it's a very good investment. What we as government are very excited about is the fact that we have seen a huge rise in many ordinary Fijians buying units in Unit Trust of Fiji. That is highly significant. So we have people, for example, who are members of land-owning units. When they get their equal share of distribution of rental monies, they are investing money. So essentially, people are saving money. And we have other, people working as in the hotel industry, ordinary, employees in various organizations. They're actually putting their money in Unit Trust of Fiji, which is great because that's what government has been trying to promote, is a culture of savings and, of course, planning for the future. What is also very significant is the fact that we have our Pacific Island neighbors seeing a lot of, confidence in, or having a lot of confidence, I should say, in the Unit Trust of Fiji. We have now Samoans actually investing in Unit Trust of Fiji. And we have Vanuatu and Solomon Islands investing in Unit Trust of Fiji. So they don't make these decisions. They are superannuation funds. They don't make these decisions willy-nilly. They obviously have people who carry out due diligence. They look at the risk factors. And they obviously have seen Unit Trust of Fiji as a very good investment opportunity. So Unit Trust of Fiji is not only becoming a good investment organization for Fijians, but also for other Pacific Islanders. It's giving us a good footprint within the Pacific region itself. So it's a sign of confidence. I mean, the rate of return is over 19%. Is quite significant. And we urge all Fijians, those of you who have a little bit of money, please invest in Unit Trust of Fiji because it is actually good for you, for your family, and for your children. I'd like to once again thank the chair and her board, and of course the management team for this wonderful effort, and we look forward to receiving an even bigger dividend next year. Thank you very much.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.